In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 ways to make your website look and feel modern using WebStarts. Number 1, add white space. White space is simply blank space between your design elements. Increasing the amount of white space on your page is a surefire way to make your web design look modern. One easy way to add white space with WebStarts is to push elements down the page using smart handles. Smart handles are perfect for creating the space you need to place your elements further apart and increase that white space. Number 2, bold typography. Using large, easily readable fonts has become a hallmark of modern web design. To master that bold, modern look in WebStarts, limit the amount of text on your pages, increase the font size of your headline to more than 60 pixels, and avoid serif-style fonts. Once you've decided on your typography, you can save it as a default under your site styles to streamline your workflow. Number 3, limit colors. You may be tempted to use a lot of colors in your web design, but if you want your site to look modern, start with black and white and add at most 2 accent colors. This will give you that clean, minimalist look synonymous with modern design. WebStarts allows you to select from a variety of color palettes and save frequently used colors to once again streamline your workflow. Number 4, responsiveness. Responsiveness is all about making your site look its best, regardless of the device where it's displayed. In the WebStarts editor, try using strips and columns to create responsive sections. Take it a step further by switching to the mobile editor to create a fully optimized version of your site that looks great on phones. Number 5, add micro interactions and subtle motion through hover effects and animations. To add hover effects to buttons and images, click to select them, and then click the style icon. There, you can choose to customize and apply them. You can find animations by selecting Elements and then clicking the Settings icon. Animations can be configured from a variety of options like Effect, Event, Duration, and Delay. By combining these 5 design methods, your web design is sure to come off as modern and up-to-date. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. I'll see you next time.